Today we are looking at a nice late model Strong Scott ribbon mixer. This unit just came in, we just unloaded it off the truck. We'll go ahead and do a walk around of the unit. I do apologize for the wind. But it just came in and there is some expected rain in the forecast, so I wanted to go ahead and get it videoed. This is a 4,000 pound capacity mixer. This is showing the serial number tag. You can see the model number is SRRM4812. The 48 means that the mixing chamber is 48 inches wide and it is 12 feet long. The height to the top of the ribbon is 48 inches. You can see the serial number is 1612341. The 16 means that the unit was manufactured in 2016. The height from the bottom of the mixing chamber all the way to the very top is 56.5 inches. This is showing the drive components of the mixer. It is equipped with a 25 horsepower, 230 460 volt Marathon electric motor, and that is connected to this heavy-duty Dodge shaft mount reducer. The mixer also came in with this stand, and it is 46.5 inches high, and it is made to bolt under the mixer. This is showing the discharge of the mixer. It measures 14 inch by 14 inch. The mixer also came in with this nice rack and pinion gate discharge, which is designed to bolt right up to the discharge of the mixer. The mixer was last used to mix molasses feed. You can see the molasses in-feed line here running all the way across the mixer. This is showing the inside of the ribbon mixer. The mixer was cleaned on the inside. You can see also by looking at the ribbon that it has very minimal wear. Still has a nice edge on it. A lot of times when these come in, if they've had a lot of use, this edge will be rounded, and it is not rounded. It's in really nice shape. Just want to show you the inside. This is showing the inside of the mixer from the other end. Down there is your discharge. The overall shipping dimensions of the mixer is 192 inches long, 60 inches wide, and 67 inches high. The stand shipping dimensions is 150 inches long, 54 inches wide, and 46.5 inches high. The estimated weight of this mixer would be about 6,500 pounds. This concludes the video of the Strong Scott 4,000 pound ribbon mixer. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.